So connecting the 35C to the app is really easy. We just jump on Google Play or the App Store, download the Eufy Home app. Once that's downloaded, enter an email address and a password. Cool. So we're going to add a device, and it's a robotic vacuum with 35C. So now we add the Wi-Fi network that we're using, so put in the password for that. So then make sure the power switch is on and the Wi-Fi status light is flashing slowly, and we can confirm that. Great, so we go back into the settings on our phone and connect to the Eufy network. That just takes a moment or two to connect. Great, now we get to name the device. I'm going to call it Little Minion. Congrats, we're done. We can see that Little Minion is charging. Easy.